Oh, second class fucking Rangers. Are we back in?
We are not getting off into the dance.
Hey, run the hoop. Hey, this is what we're on. You're both second class. I like that you're second class bubble for saying you're the I like that, look. Stop it, Buds. Stop, yeah. See if you done parallel group, is that right? Yeah. You're a cow. You should be a Rangers fan. You've got a face like a hun. You've got a face like a hun. Hey. He likes me more than he likes his bud. You like me more than your bud. Oh no. Why did my watch just fall off like that? That's not meant to happen. Happy. That's big monkey Bud's raging. Oh, what? She's tied like this. I'm trying to tell you, that was funny. That was amazing. Let's stop, we can go out. Lord, what?